Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Travel of Two Hubs. My name is Stella. I am a Filipina living here in New Zealand with my husband Ian. In today's video, I am going to cook arroz caldo with a twist. I will substitute white rice with brown rice, and also I will be adding silverbeet, which is a type of a leafy vegetable. So come and join me in the kitchen. Here are the ingredients.
Hi, this is the first time trying Stella's meal that she's cooked. Looks a lot like risotto to me, but it smells beautiful. I'll just have a quick taste. It's delicious. Very, very nice.
Today we are on our way to visit my mother-in-law, Mom Ella. It was her birthday the other day, and we are taking her out for lunch to her chosen restaurant. It was a typical Wellington spring weather, strong northerlies with rain. we just arrived and now we are going to Mom's room and pick her up so we can go out for lunch. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
Belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Belated happy birthday, Mom. We hope that your 91st birthday is just as special as you are. Alright, who's gonna cut it?
Do you want a little piece, Mum?
It was a simple celebration with the grandchildren joining us. Alright, we had a good lunch and now we are going to go home. It's still raining and it's still cloudy. So it looks like it's going to be like this for the rest of the day. Alright, buckle up. Are you busog?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a good meal. Reasonably priced. So what's next? See you. We're getting out of the retirement village. It's always nice and quiet in this area. I enjoyed trying this recipe arroz caldo with a twist today, and I hope you learned something from my kitchen experiment. Please watch our other videos and don't forget to click subscribe. See you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Salamat po.